What is additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing is the process for creating a 3D object from a computer-aided design program by adding layer upon layer of material to fabricate it. It's used to create aircraft parts, vehicle parts, medical devices, and much more, using materials such as plastic, metal, and concrete. And the list is getting bigger. Whether you want to investigate the technique for the first time and understand the latest thinking and techniques, establish your own in-house capabilities, or increase your existing materials palette or capacity, overcome problematic designs or materials issues, or prove a new concept, design, product, or process, we can help you make your products and processes more consistent, greener, and cost-effective, and validate your new design's manufacturing process or materials, evaluate product and process performance, develop prototypes, and optimize product performance and process reliability. GISMO can help you with all this and so much more.